So we have done the multiplication of integers in the last exercise, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do division of integers, and I have written some rules here. The rules are almost the same, only one thing has changed, and that's this. In division, you will divide the numbers. The rules are exactly the same like in multiplication. So what you want to do is the first step will be to divide the numbers, irrespective of the sign. आप sign ignore कर दो, जो numbers आपको नजर आ रहे हैं, उनको आप divide कर दो. I've taken a few examples below, you can see. Then after you have divided the numbers, you want to cancel the negative signs in pairs. जो minus signs हैं वो cancel होंगे pairs में. हम multiplication में भी ऐसे cancel करते थे. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So if all negative signs are cancelled, आपके सारे minus signs cancel हो जाएं, तो आपका answer positive होगा.
Positive.
और अगर कोई minus sign बच जाए,
The answer is negative.
yes. Bhavleen, I think Bhavleen is asking something.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट मैम, माय कनेक्शन इज नॉट, मैम आपकी आवाज भी सही नहीं आ रही.
Okay, so when you want to carry out the division of integers, what you want to do is you want to divide the numbers. When we divide the numbers means we are not looking at their signs. So I will just take example and then it will be clear to you. Suppose you have 30 divided by 5. Students are still entering. Wait, let me just show it on the page. Suppose you have 30 divided by 5. आपके पास इनकी डिवीजन है, सपोज. ठीक है, तो आप गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. यू डिवाइड दीज टू, द आंसर इज 6.
यस मैम.
यस, यहाँ पे कोई माइनस साइन था ही नहीं, सो वी डिड नॉट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कैंसिलिंग दोज माइनस साइंस. इफ अवर क्वेश्चन हैज माइनस साइंस, suppose you have to divide these numbers, now you have minus signs. This is one example, this is second example. पहले मैंने माइनस साइन ही लगाया था, सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में मैंने माइनस साइन लगाया हुआ है. So what I want to do is I will just divide the numbers. So I'm going to divide 30 with 5. So divide these two. Divide the numbers. Thirty divided by 5. What will be your answer?
6.
हमने numbers को divide किया तो हमारा आंसर ये आ गया, right? And now we want to cancel the signs. अब माइनस माइनस साइंस अगर कैंसिल हो रहे हैं तो कर दो. हो रहे हैं?
यस मैम.
यस, ये वाला माइनस इस माइनस के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, राइट? अब कोई माइनस बचा?
नो मैम.
आपका आंसर कैसा आएगा? पॉजिटिव, राइट? लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. अगर 8 माइनस हो, अब सिर्फ 30 के साथ माइनस है. The first step will be इन दोनों को पहले डिवाइड कर लो, 30 को 5 से. क्या आंसर आएगा? 6. अब माइनस कैंसिल हो रहे हैं?
नो मैम.
Minus are not getting cancelled. Is any minus left?
यस मैम.
Yes, ये वाला माइनस बच गया, तो ये कहाँ जाएगा? आंसर के साथ,
माइनस.
right? Another example is अगर सेकेंड नंबर के साथ माइनस लगा हुआ, अब क्या आंसर आएगा?
मैम वो भी नेगेटिव ही आएगा.
Yes, that's right. The answer will be minus 6 again. Right? Is it clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So this is what I have written here. The rules and then examples. The same examples that I have discussed with you. 30 wali जो भी मैंने discuss की है, right? And after this we will start exercise 1.4, and the questions we want to do from this exercise are the first thing. So this is something
please wait for 1 minute.
Okay. So this is something you want to mark in your book. Sahaj, you have a very good question. We will come to it in the exercise or maybe in the assignment. I'll show you how to do it.
Ma'am, you can continue.
Sahaj has a question. What if the first number is smaller and the second one is bigger? Let's take this example. Suppose you have to divide this number by minus 30. How will you do it? This is what Sahaj is asking. So what I want to do is I want to divide 5 by 30, but this is not possible. This is smaller and this is larger. So I cannot divide these. So what I will do in this case is I will write it as a fraction. So this will become my numerator, the first number. The second number will become my denominator. This still is division. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने डिवीजन को फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिख लिया. Let me know if this is clear.
Yes, cutting कर सकते हैं मैम. 1/6 will be the.
Yes, that's right. Now you can do the cutting. 5 और 30 की कटिंग हो सकती है और ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा?
1.6.
1/6. और इसको 6 नहीं लिख देना. Not 6, वो गलत हो जाएगा. 6 मत लिख देना इसको. It's 1/6. Suppose you have this. Okay, tell me for this one. So let's write this as a fraction. Now solve.
-4/5.
Yes. By which number did you divide?
6.
Yes. Both are divisible by 6. So you get 4/5. और ये जो माइनस बचा ये यहां लगा दो. You can note down these examples if you want. This method can be used in all questions of division. Writing as a fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, minus goes with the complete answer. This minus is with the complete answer.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम ये -30 तो मैम डिनोमिनेटर में है मैम, फिर ये न्यूमिनेटर में कैसे चला गया?
This is what I am saying. आपका जो आंसर आया है, आपका आंसर ये आया फ्रैक्शन. इस फ्रैक्शन के आगे माइनस लगेगा. हरजोत is also asking the same thing. माइनस साइन तो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर के साथ था. माइनस साइन क्योंकि अकेला रह गया था. This will be written with the answer. Answer is this fraction. हमारे पास आंसर सिंपल नंबर नहीं आया, हमारे पास आंसर कैसा आ गया? फ्रैक्शनल आंसर आया है. तो हमारा जो माइनस साइन अकेला रह गया था वो इस फ्रैक्शन के साथ लग जाएगा. एंड लेटर ऑन, यस, लेटर ऑन आपका एक चैप्टर आएगा रैशनल नंबर्स. यू विल नो दैट इफ यू हैव अ फ्रैक्शन, अगर आपके पास कोई फ्रैक्शन है जिसके डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस लगा हो, तो हम इसको करेक्ट करके लिखते हैं, हम माइनस ऊपर लगाते हैं. Like this form is not correct. उसको ठीक करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? माइनस ऊपर आ जाता है. Right? This is something you will do later in the syllabus in chapter number 9, rational numbers. So as for now, just remember this, that the minus sign will be written with the whole fraction. You can convert it into a decimal number, Harjot, but I don't suggest that. You can just leave your answer in fractions for the time. Depends on the time. If you have time, you can convert into decimals, but not all fractions can be converted into decimals. For example, if you have 10 by 3, just a minute, Achyut. If you have 10 by 3, if you divide, this division does not terminate. Khatam nahi hoti division. So keep your answer in fractions. Yes, Achyut.
मैम मैंने पूछा था मैम, अगर हम नीचे माइनस का साइन लगाते हैं मैम आंसर में, तो फिर भी माइनस का साइन नहीं आना है.
Beta, I am telling you the correct way to write it. Why would you write it that way?
ओके मैम.
Yeah. Now I want you to start with the exercise. Evaluate each of the following. The first 4 parts are division. Simple division, division, division. F part is also division. In E part, G part, H part, and I part, you've got brackets. So you can see, you will be solving bracket first. E part mein pehle bracket solve hogi. Same in G part, you will solve the bracket first, फिर division करेंगे. And then H part पहले bracket का आंसर आएगा, फिर बाकी हम काम करेंगे. I part में पहले ये वाली bracket, फिर ये वाली bracket, and then division. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's right. Now I think students can do this on your own because they have already started sending me the answers. So page number 26 of your books, question number 1, A part, we have minus 30 divided by 10. So I am writing this as a fraction now. Minus 30 over 10. Simplify. 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. So this is minus 3 over 1, which can be written as minus 3. Yes, that's right, Lovepreet.
Ma'am, we can write simple form also.
Yes, you can write in simple form also. That's right. Students are quicker, like they are already on third part. 50 over minus 5. Let's do the cutting. So now the answer is 10 and the minus will be with this one.
मैम ये अब माइनस साइन मैम अब ऊपर था तो मैम फिर ये ऊपर ही आएगा ना कि पूरी फ्रैक्शन के साथ आएगा.
अब ऊपर ही रहेगा. डिनोमिनेटर 1 तो हम वैसे ही इग्नोर कर सकते हैं ना.
ओके मैम.
आपके पास जब जैसे सपोज 5 by 1 है बेटा, हम इसको 5 लिख देते हैं ना, सेम वे ये हम इग्नोर कर सकते हैं.
यस मैम.
So minus 36 over minus 9. Minus gets cancelled with the minus sign.
4.
That's right. This is 4. Very good. Very good. Very good. Everyone's doing the questions on their own now. That's wonderful. D part, we have minus 49 divided by 49. So minus 49 over 49. Let's see cutting. So we are left with 1 and the minus sign. Very good.
-1.
Very good. Bani, Ranveer, Sahaj, Bhavya, Meher, Harsimran, Rabia, Harjot, Sahaj Preet, Palak Preet. They're all solving these. Love Preet. E part, we have 13 divided by -2 plus 1 in the brackets. So solve this. Can you tell me the answer from the bracket? यहाँ पे आपके add वाले rules लगेंगे.
-1.
That's right. The
Ma'am,
answer
minus 13.
minus
Minus
1.
13.
Ma'am, minus 13.
Now we write it as a fraction. Very good, very good. So many students have done it. Very good. Let's do part F. Part F is 0 divided by minus 12.
Ma'am, answer 0.
Harjot, beta, you want to ask something?
मैम वो गलती से हो गया.
Okay. So what will be the answer here?
0.
0. Answer here will be 0. You can write down for yourself 0 divided by any number. Is answer is 0. Very good. G part, we have minus 31 divided by, in the brackets, minus 30 divided, sorry,
Ma'am, answer is 1.
it's plus minus 1. So the first step will be to solve the bracket. Very good, very good. All of you have done. Wonderful. Minus 31 as such, let's solve the bracket. So this becomes
Minus 1.
very good. So this will be 1. You can give the answer directly. If you want, you can show the step where you write it as a fraction. Minus 31 over minus 31. So minus will get cancelled with minus sign. 31 and 31 get cancelled. They give you 1 as the answer, and the answer is 1. Anadru, beta, you're giving me the answer for the next part.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, this part.
Check karo beta, the answer is positive 1. Answer is not negative 1, the answer is positive 1. Those who are giving the answer as negative 1, please check. Yes, G part, beta जिनका G part का answer -1 आया है, please check. The answer is positive here.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, H part.
No, beta, I'm not saying. Some students have sent me the messages. They are saying G part's answer is -1, but the answer for G part is +1. So I'm telling them. All right. So let's do part H now. Solving the bracket will be your first step. And since it's division now, I'm going to write it as a fraction. So from the bracket, what's my answer? -3 divided by 3 now. That's good. That's good. I think the students who were telling me that the answer is -1, they were telling me for this part, H part. I'm left with -1. Very good. Very good. Now let's do part I, the last part of this question. It has got 2 brackets. So I've got -6 plus 5 in the first bracket divided by -2 plus 1 in the second bracket. So I'm going to find the answer for this. So let's find the answer for this from here. -6 plus 5, this is -1. And let's find the answer for this bracket. -2 plus 1. The answer is again -1. And I have to divide
one.
these.
1.
-1
One.
or -1 will be 1.
One.
Is 1.
Very good. Rabia, Ashraf, Bhavya, Sahaj, Bhavleen, Shivam, Harsimran, Meher, Harnivaz, Divyanshi, Ranveer, Rabia, Jain, Harkirat, Harjot, Anadrup, Palakpreet. You're all answering. Very good. Very good. Yes, Abhijit. All right. Anyone who's writing, should I wait or shall we do the next question?
Ma'am, wait.
Okay. Lakrit, which part are you doing?
Ma'am, I part.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So next we have question number 2, and we want to verify. This is the question. Verify that this is not equal to this. So we have values of A, B, C. We are going to use the values of A, B, C in this part. So I will solve left hand side separately and I will solve right hand side separately. And my answers should be not equal. मेरे जो answers आएंगे वो different आएंगे. All right? On the left, I will get a different answer. On the right, I will get a different answer. This is what I have to show. I'll just do one part with you and you will know how to do the second part. Just watch. So I'm just going to write down the question here. Yes, Gagan?
I mean, I part I directly saw, I directly minus, I didn't show the answer.
Send it to me, beta. Send it to me in the group. I will see. But beta, जो questions verify वाले होते हैं, आपको उसमें solve करके दिखाना है.
No, in question 1.
Which part?
Am I?
Okay, just send it to me. I will see what you have done. Okay. Prabjot Singh. So first thing I have done is I have written the two sides separately. And now I'm going to use the values given to me. So in the first part, the values given to me are A is 12, B
मैम
is...
जी आपने इसमें लिखा है कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है?
हाँ जी बेटा, ये आंसर है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया आपका. So now I want to use these values in this expression. A की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा?
12.
फिर divide sign, then bracket. B की जगह पे
-4.
फिर प्लस साइन आ गया और C की जगह पे
2.
Now let's solve. पहले bracket solve करेंगे. This will be step number 1. So let's solve the bracket. Bracket से आपको क्या आंसर मिलेगा?
-2.
-2. Now let's divide.
Answer will be -6.
That's right. Now let's go to the other side. Now let's go to the right side. Same thing. Use these values. A is 12. B is -4. If you want, you can just remove this bracket. So you will have -4. This is first bracket. Plus, in the second bracket again, in place of A, you have 12 divided by, in place of C, now tell me the answers for the brackets. Yes, Shubham, you're right. So from the first bracket, I have to divide these two. And in the second bracket, I have to divide these two. Solve.
मैम आपने यही कहा था ना कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस होगा तो वो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा।
Yes.
मैम पर इसमें तो ऐसा हुआ नहीं मैम, LHS में
आ गया बेटा न्यूमरेटर के साथ। देखो यहाँ पे कटिंग हुई, माइनस नीचे था, माइनस मेरे आंसर के साथ है। Now tell me, are the two sides equal?
No, ma'am.
So this is what we wanted to check. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
B part will be your homework.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
Sure.
Done, ma'am.
So we are doing question number 3 in the book now.
Ma'am, question number 3 will be in syllabus.
Yes, the question 3 is in syllabus. I have written it in the beginning. See, 1, 2, 3 are to be done.
मैम फिर ये पेपर में एग्जाम में आएगा?
Yes. Statement sums नहीं कर रहे बेटा। Let's write the answers here. You want to fill in the blanks.
1.
Very good.
1.
What about B part?
Minus 2.
75 divided by some number. The answer should be 1.
75.
75.
That's right. What about this one? We want the answer to be
Minus-
1.
Minus 206.
Ma'am, minus 206.
Minus
Minus
206.
206.
B part.
Minus 206.
मैम नो मैम ओनली 200
Minus
You write, beta, the answer does not have minus sign. Minus minus cancel होंगे तभी answer 1 आएगा. Yes, Harjot, you're correct. The answer for B part is -1. You can check once you fill the blank. You can check that if you solve this division, answer वही आए जो आपको book में दिया हुआ है. This is how you can check. So if you are filling a number
Ma'am.
in the blank, yes,
Ma'am, E का आंसर -87.
that's right. E part is -87. What about part F?
Minus 48.
Minus 48.
-48.
Very good. G part.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus
Is it-
10.
Yes. 20 divided by 10 will give us 2, but we want minus also, so we will put a minus here. What about this one?
Minus 12.
Yes. 12 divided by 4. इससे आंसर आ जाएगा 3. बट इस माइनस के लिए क्या करेंगे हम?
-12.
minus
minus
lगा देंगे,
12.
right? This is how we fix. And this completes your chapter. This completes your chapter. And now what I want you to do is, the next chapter that you're going to start is chapter number 14, symmetry.
Okay, ma'am.
The next chapter that we want to do is chapter number 14, that's symmetry. And what I want you to do is, I want you to draw the shapes. I will just take 1 minute and then you people can go. Just
Ma'am, it's 8:10.
I know, but I'll just take 1 minute. Okay. This is the question that we are going to do. ये वाली shapes draw करनी है आपने. Fine. I will send this work in the group also. All right. I'll see you next week.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.